Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. We're hoping this thing will keep channeling, and one thing I like about this currency pair, it'll channel. It will channel for a good period of time. So I'm going to show you here. Look at this. You can see these little mini channels. I mean, this is pretty easy stuff, guys. You can see channels here. You can see here. This is on a daily chart. I mean, you can break this down into an hourly chart, and you can start seeing different channels. But we like to trade a little bit longer term. Longer term trades are safer trades, in my opinion. If you noticed on our track record, we don't really have losing months, because the way we trade, we're in this for the long haul. And when you day trade, your trades are in and out looking for 25-30 pips, you're going to take a lot more hits. And in my opinion, it's swing trading is by far the safest bet to go. So we're currently in this trade. We are up, actually, man, we're up. Let's see here, almost about 40 pips. Yeah, 35 pips or so. We're expecting price to continue driving this thing up over the next few days. I'm hoping we can get out of this trade in a few days, and then we're probably going to sell short again. I got to look at where the fundamentals on the Eurozone, what's going on over there, before I decide if I want to short this thing again. But we're going to take this thing all the way up to the 83.68 mark, which would give us about 85 pips on a nice little 85 pip run. So that's it for that one. Alright, so here's another trade that we're in right now. It was the Canadian dollar yen, so it's a CAD yen. And I'm going to draw a couple lines here. First of all, I'm going to show that since October of 2011, this thing has pretty much been, this isn't a perfect, pretty trend line. Okay, so this thing could drop down a little further. And then let's draw something here, how this thing is shifted a little bit. So we have a couple different trend lines. And you always have trend lines within trend lines. This is why you break down into smaller time frames. I'm not going to have this turn out to be a 5-hour video, but so the charts that I'm showing you right now are based on the daily chart. These are daily candlestick patterns, daily charts. So as you can see, we actually got in this pair at 75.76. Just draw that in. 75, 76. I can't read there. 75, 76, right there. Okay, so we've actually been waiting right around here after the current pair came down to hit 75, 76 again. We saw this as an opportunity, and we were looking at, as you can see, just some resistance in this point. This pair is really funky. All right, it's kind of hard to read on the chart that I'm showing you right now. When you break it down into a smaller time frame, it's easier to see. But we have a profit target on this at 76.87. So let's put that in. Okay. As you can see, the more solid resistance point is right here. I always like to close a trade before you hit there, because it may not quite go up there. I'd rather take my profit and smile for another happy day than wait. And I've done this before. I've tried to put my close out right at the point of these major resistance point, only to have it come in within 1 or 2 pips of my trade, and I lost my profit. It never happened. I had to wait another week for it to come back up. So I would have taken 2 trades had I not done that. So 76.87. Okay, so let's put that in here. 76.87. Okay, there we go. So right around here, we said, you know what? If this thing comes back down to this 75.76 mark, we're going to get in. And it's exactly what it did yesterday. Now look at this. This is today. This is yesterday. You can see this thing drove all the way down. It drove up pretty high. It closed out yesterday. This thing moved. Let me see here. The low was 75.75. So we got in 1 pip. It went 1 pip below our mark. This thing moved to the high of 76. It moved almost 75 pips. So this trade, you can see that we're starting to move back up again a little bit. So we're hoping to stay on this little mini trend line here and shoots up. And within a week, I'm hoping to close this trade out. Hopefully, maybe this week, but it'll probably be into next week. And we'll close out the trade, and we'll see again. We may short this thing and run it back to the channel down. If we short it, though, I'm going to probably short it a little bit up in this area, because I'd rather have it break through this resistance point right here, a few pips, to really take us in a good solid way. So anyway, that's the trade that we're in right now. We are currently up, let me see here, 75.76, about 40 pips right now on that trade. So okay, let's go to look at some other trades that we are going to get in, that we just set some new trade setups for today. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.